I only watered my lettuce with this mixture once, and it grew faster than ever. Autumn is the season when the garden comes back to life after the summer harvest. As many garden beds become empty, it's the perfect moment to plant leafy greens that thrive in cooler temperatures and shorter days. The soil remains warm enough for seeds to germinate quickly, while the lower temperatures naturally protect young plants from pests and diseases. For autumn planting, the best choices are butterhead lettuce, lamb's lettuce, arugula, and watercress. These varieties tolerate the cold very well and don't require as much sunlight, which means they grow beautifully even when days are shorter. Butterhead lettuce produces tender and juicy leaves that develop quickly. Lamb's lettuce can withstand frost, while arugula and watercress are packed with vitamins and minerals that support the immune system, something we all need more during the colder months. These salad greens are also perfect for small gardens or balcony planters because they don't take up much space and can be harvested gradually. As the days grow cooler, it's important to enrich the soil with natural nutrients. Frequent rain and lower temperatures can wash away minerals, leaving the ground depleted. That's why autumn plants need an extra boost from natural feeding that helps them develop a strong root system and thick, healthy leaves. Today we'll prepare a simple but powerful autumn fertilizer that will make your lettuce strong, crisp, and full of flavor. Add 1 tablespoon of dried nettle to half a liter of hot water. Nettle is a natural source of nitrogen, which promotes lush, green growth. It also contains valuable minerals such as potassium, phosphorus, and iron, which strengthen plants and improve photosynthesis. Nettle is rich in vitamin C, helping the plant adapt to temperature changes and resist stress caused by cold nights. After that, add 1 tablespoon of wood ash. Autumn soil often becomes more acidic due to rain and decomposing organic matter. Wood ash works like natural lime, balancing the pH, improving soil structure, and helping the ground retain moisture. Ideal for damp autumn conditions. Finally, you can add a small handful of crushed eggshells. They release calcium slowly into the soil, strengthening cell walls and preventing leaf tip rot, ensuring that your lettuce stays firm and healthy. Let this mixture sit for 2 days, then strain it and dilute it with 2 liters of water. Water your plants once a month with this natural fertilizer, and you'll be amazed by the results. The lettuce will be firm, bright green, and delicious, even during the coldest part of winter. Dear friends, let us know in the comments where you're watching from, and which salad varieties you like to plant in autumn. Share this video with your gardening friends. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.